we are going to look at the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of positive and negative fractions and decimals. The arithmetic operation of positive and negative fractions and decimals are exactly the same as the arithmetic operation of integers. So, as long as you remember how to do the arithmetic operation of fractions and decimals, you have no problem. Here we go!
-2 plus 0.5. There is more negative than positive, so the answer must be negative. Then we subtract 0.5 from 2, and we get 1.5. -2 minus 0.5. Both are negative number. We keep the negative sign and add up the number. It's like owing someone 2 ringgits and then owe a further 50 cents. Total, you owe him 2 ringgit 50 cents. 3.5 plus -7.07. Plus negative become minus. So we have 3.5 minus 7.07. 3.5 is actually positive and 7.07 is negative. There is more negative than positive. So the answer must be negative. Then we subtract 3.5 from 7.07. We get 3.57. So the answer is negative 3.57. -1 and 3 over 4 minus -1 over 2. Minus negative become plus. So we have -1 and 3 over 4 plus 1 over 2. Let's convert this mixed number to improper fraction. So we have -7 over 4 plus 1 over 2. Next, we make the denominator, that's the number at the bottom, the same. So we have -7 over 4 plus 2 over 4. Now let's look at the numerator, that is the number on top. One is -7, the other is plus 2. 7 is larger than 2. There is more negative than positive, so the answer must be negative. Then we subtract 2 from 7 to get 5. The denominator is unchanged. And this is the answer. -3 and 2 over 3 divided by 5 over 6. Let's convert the first fraction into improper fraction. 3 times 3 is 9 and 9 plus 2 is 11. So we have -11 over 3. And we change the division sign to multiplication and flip the second fraction over to get 6 over 5. Then we simplify the fraction. Divide 3 by 3, we get 1. Divide 6 by 3, we get 2. Then we multiply -11 by 2. Don't forget there's a negative sign there. A negative times a positive is negative. So we have -22 over 5. And it can be converted to -4 and 2 over 5. Last one. -3 times -2.5. Both numbers are negative numbers. A negative times a negative, we get a positive. And then we multiply 2.5 by 3 and we get positive 7.5. Please do the quiz.